Okay, that was my 1 minute video, and now I would like to address a few more things about the recording that we should make. As you can see from what I shared with you from the videos that you had to watch, the individual in those videos explains how lighting works, and one of the things that he doesn't explain well, and I would like to emphasize right now, is that he has a natural light source on one side. That is, when you see that video and he explains that there's light coming from this side and then he wants to compensate with light on this side and he turns an artificial light source like a lamp. Well, what happens is that this side is lit very well by the sun and this part is lit, but it looks yellow. And that is important to say because if you don't have this light source of the sun on one side, for example, or coming from the front, ideally, then everything is going to look very yellow if you use artificial light to compensate. Light has different temperature, and that temperature establishes how yellowish or whitish it looks. And what we want is natural light that looks like the sunlight. So what I'm going to do right now is I am going to close that door for you to see the effect of the yellow light. And you will learn a little bit about what this person didn't tell us at the time of the recording, which is he has the sun as a light source in his video, and that's why he's looking fine. So when you record your own video, try to look for that window, and that window should be a light source for you. Now, obviously, don't put the camera and then yourself and then the window because you're just going to create a silhouette. So I'm going to close that door. Yes, it's a garage door. and one of the things that I'm going to do here, I'm going to change the color temperature of my IKEA lamps. You know, they sell them now with these little gadgets that change the color temperature. And well, and now you can see that I'm a little bit orangey all around, and that is not okay. You can change the temperature of the lights, and now I'm a little bit more, you know, regular looking, even though there's plenty of shadows all over the place. So one of the ways I set up normally for my recordings, you know that I do a lot of recordings in this area, is I have two sets of lights down there that are flat. They are LED lights, and it's just like a little display. It looks very flat like that. And when you turn it on, there goes one, there goes the other. Now we have an effect on filling up certain areas of my face and taking away those shadows, and that looks fairly well. So I'm going to change the color temperature of these lights to something in between. There we go. And this is more or less how I always show up in my videos. These lights, by the way, just for you to understand a little bit more about digital video and video in general, are coming from below and they're hitting over here. And that helps me look younger. Not that I want to look younger, but... So I just wanted to add that to the lesson, and well, I'm looking forward to seeing all of your videos. Okay, thank you so much. Bye.